again to my channel, and for those who are new here, thank you very much for stopping by. And like the title said, this is going to be an unboxing of two Boxycharm base box. Okay, so I already opened this, but I didn't look inside. Okay, so this is mine, and the other one is my coworker's box. So let's open mine first, and this is what we'll see. And it says hello charmer. And so, by the way, what is Boxycharm? Boxycharm is a monthly subscription, and it has like 5 full-size items of beauty and skincare, and it is $25 a month, but I pay $5 shipping, so it's $30 a month for me. Now, going back to the box, let's see what's inside. Okay, let's start with my, oh boy, there is no card, but the theme for this month is, because I kind of know already what's in my box, because I got an email, like it's like a February insert card, and they gave it to me, they sent it to me. So the theme for this month is Boxycharm Adore. Okay, so my choice item for this month is this one, and this is from Becca, and this is the Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and this one retails for $44. Wow. And again, I paid $30 for my box. Oh, by the way, this is in the shade Cashmere, and this is just perfect when it came, because I am running out of my foundation. That actually I have like a Smashbox foundation that I got from Ipsy. The sample sizes of Smashbox, and my regular Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer is almost gone, like there. So this one is perfect, and this is how it looks like. And let's check what's the shade. Ooh. Oh, it's a pump. Oh, by the way, this looks really pretty. Okay, wow, I didn't know it's a pump. Oh, okay. So this is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and let's check the shade. Oh yeah, hello, where are you? Oh, there you go. And ooh, okay, here's the shade. I'm not sure if oh, okay, it's kind of like too white for me. See, we'll see how it goes when I use it in my face. Okay, I'm still happy though, because you know, you can always work it out. It's not that much of a big difference, so we'll see how it goes. And ooh, happy with this. So definitely gonna be using this. Okay, so the next one here is, this is from Evio or Evio Skin Aurora, and this is the Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Okay, and this one retails for $10, and there's how many in here? I can't see how much are in here. Also, there's 15 wipes in here, and this one, by the way, is made in USA, and the Becca Cosmetics is made in Italy. There you go. And the next one that I'm going to be pulling out is This is from Seattle, London. And this is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. And this one retails for $22. Seems like pretty white. I'm not sure. Yep, definitely sealed. So let's not open that yet. Okay. And the next one here is, oh, by the way, let's check where is this made from. This one is made in Taiwan. I know there's a lot of drama going on of where the products are made from, but we're not gonna talk about that. And the next one here is, this is from First Aid Beauty. I saw an unboxing and I saw this one and I was really hoping that it's gonna be in my box too. So this is from First Aid Beauty, and this is the Facial Radiance Pads, a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing the perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. And this one retails for $16. And this one is made in USA. Let's see. It's sealed. And I am not gonna open it yet, okay? Because I'm not using this yet, right? So this one retails for $16. There you go. I'm happy for that. And this one also I was really hoping to get. And this is from Luxy Beauty, and this is the complete sponge set. And this is made in China. It's okay, but this is designed by Luxy in California. So this one retails $40. Seriously, this is $40. Sorry for the noise of the wrappers. And this is how they look like. And I'm happy to get this because I always use sponge. Ooh. They're not as soft, or yeah, they're not as soft as a beauty blender. And where is my, here, this is my Real Techniques. I think this is real. Yeah, this is from Real Techniques, and this is almost the same kind, like how tight they are. Yep, I also have a tiny version of this. Okay, let's it smells like rubber. Okay, I'm still happy to get this though. Definitely gonna be using that. And so, how much is everything in my box? So the total value for all the items in my box is $132. So let's go open now what's in my coworker's box. So my coworker's box is bigger than mine. Let me grab it. So this is my box, and this is my coworker's box. Okay, and I think I know now why hers is bigger. So there are her products, and she doesn't have a card too. Wow. Okay. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, the card they sent me through email, the Boxycharm sent me through email, they call it the virtual February insert card. So I didn't get a card in my box, but they sent me this email. So the first one here, this is my coworker's box, and she got this one also, and this is the one from Luxy again. The the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, and this one retails for $16, and this is made in USA. Okay, let's put that back in my box. And the next one here is, I'm gonna take this out. Again, this is also the one from Ciate London, Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder, and this one retails for $22. Now the third one here is, this is the one I don't know the price. So this is from Pure, and this is the 4-in-1 Correcting Primer, Energize and Rescue with Aloe, Coconut Water, and Probiotics, and this is silicone free. Oh, yeah, I don't know. There. Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer, and this is made in USA, and let's check how much this is. So this one retails for $33, and this is in 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce. Okay, now this is one also that I really want to get, and she got this, and this is the 3 Alamar Cosmetics brushes, and these are very nice. I really want to open this. Let's open this. And this is the complexion brush. It's really soft. Wow, they're not so dense though. And there's the Alamar, so that's the complexion brush. And the next one here is, yeah, this is the, what is this? This is the bronzer brush. It's so pretty. Yeah, there's the Alamar, and there's the bronzer brush. Okay, really nice, beautiful. I'm so jealous she got this, but again, I got the sponge that I really use also. And the next one here is, this is the brightening brush. Oh, this must be for the highlighter. There you go. So let's check. Oh boy, let's check how much these brushes are. I don't know if you can find it online, but I'm gonna try to Google it. Okay, let's put this back. So that's the Alamar Complexion Brush Trio, and that set of brushes retails for $36. Okay, now the last but not the least here is this one, and this one is the Iconic London palette, and then this one is made in PRC. This is how it looks like, and this is the Day to Slay eyeshadow palette, and ooh, this is so beautiful. I didn't choose this one because because the choices are the foundation, this one, and then some other products. And ooh, wow, this is so beautiful. And there's a mirror here. I'll try to show you the mirror. And boy, how am I gonna? Okay, I'll try not to. Again, this is not mine. She's just being nice to let me unbox, make a video of unboxing. Okay, so this is the palette, and these are the shades. So beautiful. So wow, this is a very nice palette. But oops, again, I didn't choose this one because I want to get the Becca foundation. Wow, this Iconic London's Day to Slay eyeshadow palette retails for $59. Wow, the total of all the items in my coworker's box is $166. So she got a better box, I think, more than me, but it's okay because what I got also is what I can really use too. So what do you think? Which one do you like better. And you know, please leave a comment below. And I just noticed that I have some lipstick in my teeth. Sorry for that. And thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't done it yet, please do like if you like the video. And if you haven't subscribed, if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell as well, so you'll be notified if I have a new video up. And hopefully I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching again. Bye-bye.